Cooking with Calcaterra. With your host, Valentina Calcaterra. And guest, Eileen Amezcua.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with Calcaterra. I'm your host, Valentina Calcaterra, and I'm here with my fabulous guest, Eileen Amezcua. So, Eileen, tell me, what are your favorite foods?
My favorite foods at the moment would probably be Brazilian food. I've been to a couple Brazilian restaurants that I've found pretty good. Yeah.
Very nice. So, what do you like to cook at home?
At home, I'm not really a cook type of person. I usually go and buy stuff. At least I don't know how to cook yet.
Well, of the few things you do know how to cook, what can you cook?
I can definitely cook like ramen and like, just little things. I can cook pasta like Alfredo and like wings.
Oh, wings are good.
I love wings.
Me too.
Do you like bone-in or?
Bone-in always.
Oh yeah, same.
Yeah, I think it's weird to not have the bones. For wings, it's just not.
Chicken nuggets.
Exactly. I'm not into chicken nuggets, so it is what it is. What is your least favorite food?
My least favorite food would probably be eggplant. I've tasted it before. Not good. I had to force myself to eat it because it was just not good.
What kind of eggplant was it?
I don't know. It was purple.
Did you just have raw eggplant, or?
I mean, it was cooked. It was grilled, I think. My parents made it. I don't know.
See, I'm an eggplant parmesan kind of girl, but I think that's just the Sicilian in me. Mm-hmm. So yeah, eggplant parmesan, chicken parmesan on anything.
Right.
For anything. So yeah.
Dairy free, so I don't eat cheese or any of that.
See, unfortunately at this point I am also dairy free, but sometimes you just gotta splurge. Gotta treat yourself. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. We will be right back, so stay tuned for more Cooking with Calcaterra.
Have you ever felt lonely eating by yourself, no matter what situation, at home or out in public? It is never fun to eat alone. Well, that problem can be solved with Forkshire, the animated silverware that makes you feel like less of a loner. You can eat with ease and also have a friend that won't judge you for stuffing your mouth. Goodbye, boredom, and welcome to the Forkshire.
Forkshire comes in 3 different versions, but are still the best of company.
Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Calcaterra. I'm your host, Valentina Calcaterra, and I'm still here with Eileen Amezcua. Sorry about that. It's a very tricky name you've got there.
Yeah.
So, Eileen, if you could learn to cook one thing, what would you want to learn to cook?
If I were to learn to cook one thing, I think it would probably be lasagna.
Oh, I can teach you how to make lasagna.
Do you know how to make it?
I make really great lasagna.
Nice.
So it's actually very, very simple. All you're going to want to do is pre-cook your lasagna noodles. And then you layer your lasagna noodles alternating with sauce and ricotta cheese and a meat of your choice. Now, generally when making it, you always want to use Italian sausage. Try to avoid the turkey kind. It does not taste right. Some people are really into that, but if you're going to go for lasagna, you need a nice pork Italian sausage.
All right,
so,
sounds good.
And it takes a while to make, I'll be honest, because usually what you're going to want to do is do, homemade sauce, all that stuff.
Yeah.
And that takes a few hours.
Yeah.
But it's actually very easy overall. Then you just, pop it in the oven and bake it, and it's just delicious. So yeah, that's how you make lasagna.
I think it would be worth it, considering how long it takes. Yeah.
It's really good. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned next week for more Cooking with Calcaterra. Have a great night.